Some of the best superheroes out there use gadgets to do their superhero-y type stuff. And this is the same for us, no matter who we are and what life throws at us. We can all use Microsoft 365 to be super. Hey everyone, and welcome to Expert Zone UK and I. I'm Matt, and I'm here to show you 5 awesome accessibility features in Microsoft 365. In this video, we're going to look at 5 features that are available within 365's premium apps and how they benefit those with accessibility needs, no matter if they are a permanent, a temporary, or a situational one. And also how everyone can use them, granting all that do productive superpowers. So let's get straight into it and look at these super-powered features. Number 1, Dictate. With premium apps, switch on Dictate, and rather than typing, you can talk to your desktop. And it will start recording what you are saying, but in text form. Ooh. So if you watch your screen while talking, you will see your desktop magically typing, like the accessibility fairy has taken over. Disclaimer, accessibility fairies aren't real. This is just the power of Dictate converting your text to speech. Let me show you how to access it. I'm using Word here, and to switch on Dictate, find the Home tab along the top ribbon, and here you will find Dictate. Now, while you are connected to the internet, switch it on and chat away. This is perfect if you struggle with something like dyslexia, are unable to type, or attempting to multitask, which my wife tells me I cannot do, but with Microsoft 365, I can. Number 2, Read Aloud. With Read Aloud in Word, whatever you have written or dictated to your device, Read Aloud will read it back to you, allowing you to hear what is written.
This is a great feature for those that struggle to process written text, have partial sight or blindness, or just want to check how a document sounds. You can find this in Word, in the Review tab. Just click Read Aloud and then listen.
This can also be found in other premium apps, as well as OneNote and Microsoft Edge in Windows 11. Number 3, Immersive Reader. Some people have a learning accessibility need. Dyslexia, for example, can affect people's ability to process text. And this means that something as simple as changing the color of the page can be super helpful with processing all that is on that page. And this is where Immersive Reader comes in. Found in the View tab of Word, or as simple as typing in Immersive Reader into the search bar, we can access all of the tools available, such as changing the document's color, text spacing, and column width. These tools can help those that need to consume the document in front of them. For example, the color of the page can be black text on pink background, which may help some people, whereas white text on black background may help others. So with all these choices at your disposal, you too may be able to utilize them to make your viewing experience more comfortable. For example, have you ever got that eye strain headache? I have, and it turns out black on pink helps. Number 4, live subtitles. When we talk about accessibility, we don't just mean how it can help you. We are also talking about people that consume the content that you create, whether that be a document, spreadsheet, or a flyer to your next tea party. Yes, I like tea parties, so what? And one of the features that really helped me is live subtitles in PowerPoint. Not only can you insert closed captions to aid the deaf or hard of hearing community into your presentations, but you can also present with live subtitles on, which again, for me, as I'm hard of hearing, helps me understand what is being said. Also, within the settings, you can change the language settings, allowing the presenter to present in English or any of the other available languages, and have the subtitles output in a different language that they select, meaning that those in other countries can consume the content also. Number 5, Accessibility Checker. Now, if you want to be the accessibility master and learn the ways of accessibility, then you can get into the habit of checking your content you create in premium apps with Accessibility Checker. This tool is the ultimate way in showing your accessibility prowess by giving you the ability to make your Word docs, Excel spreadsheets, PowerPoint presentations, and emails from Outlook super accessible for all. When Accessibility Checker is activated from the ribbon in the Review tab, you have access to the tools that will check your doc for bad contrast choices and suggest ways to fix them. The ability to add descriptions to your pictures for those that cannot see them, and rearrange text and images so screen readers like Narrator that is built into Windows 11 can read them. All that and many more features in all of the premium apps make it look like you have been studying the art of accessibility for years. So there you have it, 5 awesome accessibility features available as part of Microsoft 365, with so many more available to make sure that no matter who you are, you can be empowered in all you set out to do. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content, overviews and how-to videos, and let us know in the comments what your favourite Microsoft 365 accessibility feature is. That's it from me. I'll check you on the flip side. Peace!